Greetings everybody, I am Meet Singh, a CSC undergrad at Pranvi Singh Institute of Technology and Microsoft Engagement 2022, and I am here to present my project with you all. I would like to share my Microsoft Engage journey from 4th May kickoff webinar to the first week of research and then weeks followed by implementation. It's been an amazing journey. The journey wasn't as easy as I faced all sorts of problems, from build errors to app crashes, but I did not lose hope. I reached out to my mentor and professors at the college, and Stack Overflow has been a savior. Hence, I've been able to use advanced facial recognition technology combined with database to build this awesome app. I present to you NotesLock, an Android application which keeps your notes and passwords protected. It can be authenticated by Face ID, Touch ID. It is screenshot restricted. It also has privacy features as well. Now let's head over to the project overview. The tech stack uses Flutter sqflite plugin for database management and VS Code for environment. Here is a snapshot of the app. This is the onboarding process for our user. And here is a live demo of authentication by Face ID. The NotesLock app opens and the click to authenticate button gives you a choice to switch between fingerprint authentication or Face ID authentication. On being provided authentication, you can head over to the main app where you can perform various features of the app. Now let's head to the features of the app. Create a node, save passwords, delete nodes, edit nodes. It is screenshot forbidden. Face ID and Touch ID authentication can be used to authenticate, and if both are not available, pattern or pin authentication can work as well. Now let's head over to some privacy features of the app. Can't take screenshot due to security policies. For security reasons, screenshot is unavailable. Even if someone tries to screen record, it records a black screen. This is what makes the app more and more protected. The LocalAuth package is used for providing authentication. It is a Flutter plugin means to provide, perform, an on-device authentication of the user. On supported devices, it includes authentication with biometrics such as fingerprint or facial recognition. It supports Android, iOS, and Windows platforms. Now let's head over for a view of the code. This is a main.file. LocalAuth has been used for authentication. SQL database is used for storing loads locally, and these are the various widgets for UI and functionality of the app. There are dependencies and authentication for date time, database, and UI purposes. Now let's head over to a demo of build application in VS Code. One only has to type the command flutter packages get, and the required packages essential for the running of the application are imported. Once imported, command flutter run can start the build. After the build is completed, the app opens up on the emulator. Here's a demo of authentication by Touch ID. Let's head over to the GitHub repository. It is a well documented GitHub repository, and for one to run the code, all you have to do is run a command flutter packages get in the terminal and you're good to go. And in the end, I would like to thank Microsoft and Ace Hacker team for this amazing opportunity. Thank you.